Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change language on Zara. First of all, you can open the Zara application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can tap on settings here, and after this you can just simply see the third option, that is device settings. Tap on it, and here you can reach the Zara device settings. You can see the option that is language. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select the language that you want to choose, and this is the way you can change language in Zara. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.